Make a left? Oh, yeah. Oh, you don't know where you're going, do you?
No, I don't.
Should have made a left.
Okay,
Too late now.
sorry.
Heading the wrong way in a storm.
Sorry.
Driver claims to know where they're going, but they don't.
Turn around.
Nah, it's too late. No, too late now. You don't want to get us caught, mister.
Sorry.
You're the worst drug dealing driver there is.
Sorry.
Reporting for the Weather Channel. This cunt is pissing. This cunt is pissing. Your lights are off for some reason. Trying to get caught by the cops. Reporting for the Weather Channel. Make a left at the light. Look at the darkness of the sky and those fucking hail things. We may just have an insurance claim. Stopping, slow, and sliding in the rain.
Slide, we can slide all. Thank you, we can slide all, and I stopped just fine. Thank you. As you guys can see, I stopped just fine. Got it's on camera.
Hear that damaging hail. Hear that hail as it damages our vehicle.
Beautiful truck.
Yes.
Hey, damage.
Look at what the hail did.
Took the paint off our truck.
Look at what the hail did. It'll never, no, wait. Okay, go. It'll never be the same.
Hang on, it's my turn. Oh, I just got hit by him.
Going deeper into the cunt. For the viewers from the Weather Channel. Remember, you ain't got to do the speed limit in the storm. Oh, you're doing over it. There you are. It's 30. You're doing 35 in a storm. Have fun at the fair, Carnival, from the Weather Channel. Beautiful night to go over the speed limit in the hail past the fair.
See that beautiful stop he says that I never do, but I always do. It's he doesn't do.
Hail has slightly slowed.
Oh, it has, huh? Oh, yes, it has. Oh, yes, it has. It has.
Picking up again a little. Turning on the defrost.
Turn it on. Turn it on. Put on your fucking heat when we have anxiety.
That's what defrost is heat.
Put heat on.
Defrost is heat. It's science. Science from the Weather Channel. A little dose of science. That lesson is free because it's your 8 on 8s from the Weather Channel. A free science lesson. Take it to school, kids. A dummy walking his dog. Presented in full HD by the Weather Channel. Boy, let's hope there's no damage done to the car to claim an insurance claim. Let that blood pour from her cunt, from her cunt. Boom. Lining. Again, it appears the north end edge of her cunt is the bloodiest.
Why did force it and all of a sudden it just came down out of nowhere?
Heavy flow.
The wrath of God, he is mad. Shit. He is angry. People are very
We pray only the innocent get harmed, and those unrelated to us and our pets. They will be safe. The other innocent will be harmed. Because we know that harm comes to ours, we harm those. While we are waiting, we would like to advertise one of our sponsors. Sassy Taffy, Taffy Town, Sour Taffy. Is being brought to you, the Weather Channel is being brought to you today, not in part, but in whole, by Sassy Taffy, Taffy Town. And Handyman Hardware. When you need a handy from a handyman, use Handyman Hardware.
Hey, there it is. Tom settles, and we heard some guns a minute ago. Axel Rose is still sitting in that chair doing most of the
Coldwater Creek, where you go for your radiation.
For a few more weeks, he's going to get jumping around.
Coldwater Creek.
Stadium, Dodger Stadium.
That's cool. Stop. You can't go any further. Still some hail.
Some heavy rain, some hail, and winds. So right now in Tennessee, we've got some lightning and heavy rain.
Bless the beast and the children. BJ's Bar, where you go when you know what you want. BJ's Bar. A cold beer and a filthy cunt. Home of the Heralds and the like. Believe we are heading, don't quote me on this, but eastish, southeastish. On St. Francis/Graham/North Hanley. More part of Coldwater Creek. And a thank you goes out to Missy for making us wait. Always good to wait when you're waiting on drugs. A helpful tip for the Weather Channel. Missy Misdemeanor.
Great taste for $3 from McDonald's. New pick 2 breakfast menu featuring baconated cheese biscuit. It's Spencer Graves in Spencer's neighborhood for Robert Hyde.
Missy Misdemeanor. Clean your pussy to keep it cleaner.
That either owns a home or you're looking to buy a new home, you should call 314-266-5400 or go to STLMortgageAdvisors.com. Robert Hyde is the Delaware Financial.
There's where I want to be.
Help you in your closing
The cemetery.
I would have to say that.
Right.
And then right by the fucking right by the fucking graveyard.
314-266-5400 or STLMortgageAdvisors.com.
Very
Again,
thick.
if you're a veteran, first
Hi,
responder,
Mommy and Daddy,
EMS,
Topo
fire,
Street.
police, whatever it is, you should call Robert Hyde.
There we are in Braybrook.
Or you're looking to upgrade, 314-266-5400
Our destination ends.
or STL.
A destination, our Weather Channel destination. Once again, thank you to our sponsor, Sassy Taffy, Taffy Town, Sour Taffy.
So veterans, fire, military, everyone, call 314-266-5400 or go to STLMortgageAdvisors.com.
All right, see everybody later, unless any special things are coming up. This has been reporting from the blood of the cunt for the Weather Channel. You're gonna draw people near us. Over and out.